Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to get custom sounds like this into your Descenders game. Let's go. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, let's go make some backups for the sound files in case they end up breaking and we have to replace them. To do this, let's go into our Steam and then to Descenders, browse local files, and now Descenders data, streaming assets, and then here are our bank files. So let's put these in our backups folder, but we're gonna copy them because we don't want to lose them. Okay, so now we got our files backed up. We're gonna go and head a download Fmod Bank Tools. This will be in the description linked. So just click on this one, this zip, and download it. Now that's done, let's go ahead and put this on our desktop. Now I'm gonna make a folder to extract all the files to. Call it whatever you want. Drag this in here and let's extract. Now we've got our Fmod Bank Tools, so let's duplicate our backups again. Copy. And in our new folder, we're gonna go into the bank folder and paste. We only need one of these, so you can ignore master bank strings bank and master bank bank, and then out of these we gotta choose which one. So VO bank is like the voices, SFX bank is like the bike sounds and ambience, and music is obviously the music. So for this tutorial I'm gonna be doing a voice line change, so I'm gonna delete everything else and just keep VO bank. Now come out of that and then go into fmodbanktools.exe. More info, run anyway, and then now we go file, extract, and then now that's done, should say extracting bank files has finished. We can see in the WAV folder and then VO, or it might be SFX or whatever you picked, we have all these sound files. I'm going to be replacing default bell meter midair, so I'm just going to type that in as well. Okay, now we've got all of our default bell meter midair sounds. These are all the variations that you'll hear in the game, but I'm just going to be doing one sound that replaces all of them. So first thing we need to do is actually get our sound. So what you want to do is go into a program like OBS and basically find the sound you want to replace, search it up on Google or something, and then record the sound on OBS. And then now I'm going to go into CapCut and I'm just going to edit down the audio to exactly what I want. So earlier I have recorded some audio that I want to replace it with. It is the classic Nick A30. Oh crap. So let's cut this down. So I'm just going to export this, and boom. Now it needs to be in the format of a WAV to work with the sound tools. We're going to search up MP4, which is what my video file is, to WAV, and then I'm using Cloud Convert. Just going to drag this in here and convert. Now we can download this, and we've got our sound file. Now we've got our sound file, we need to rename it to fit the game. So if you just select one of these, rename, and Control C, and then select this, rename, Control V. So now we need to duplicate that sound file 21 times with the number 1 to 21 on the end. Now an easy way to do this is upload the file into ChatGPT and say duplicate this file 21 times to change the 17 or whatever number you picked from 01 to 21. And ChatGPT has put this all in one big zip file, so I'm going to download this real quick. I'm going to put this on my desktop, and I'm going to make a new folder called New Sound Files. Let's just pop this all in there. Now we want to open up our WAV folder once again with all our base game sounds, and then we're going to open up our new sounds. Let's put this over here and just drag and drop them all in and replace. So now we've got all our new sounds, and then we're going to go back into Fmod Bank Tools and go rebuild, and let's wait for it to do it. Boom, and we've got all our new files. Here's our new bank file, so let's go back to the Descenders directory right here. And now we can go back to Descenders data, streaming assets, and here. Now we can drag and drop our new file into our streaming assets file. And boom, we've got our new sound in. So if we launch the game, it should work. There's the sound. Thanks for checking out the tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the modding corner in the Descenders Discord, as that will be where they most likely get answered. But yeah, that's about it. Goodbye.